because the first impression when people hear about Webtalk is it's like a scam because it's on the internet. Everything is on the internet. Internet is a scam.
But you know, in real life also we can find a lot of scammers. Really, in real life. I mean, people. And these things happen with my husband. Well, now we are live here on YouTube. But something happened with my husband, and even in real life, my husband was trapped by people from real life. That means that people took his money, you know, and a lot of stuff. He was thinking that he's going to buy something, but actually it was a trap. They actually stole his money. So for that, I'm saying internet or real life, everywhere you have the possibility to be, trapped. If you think like that, but I don't think like that. I think that you need to pay attention, of course, but doesn't mean that everyone and everything is a scammer or is a scam. It's not like that. Not everyone and not everything. And also, if you say that Webtalk is a scam, that means I'm a scammer. So wait a minute. Neluța is a scammer? And I know why I'm saying these things, because people think Webtalk doesn't pay you, okay? But as time, so they say Webtalk is a scam because Webtalk don't pay people. All right, but I got money from Webtalk in my bank account. All right, and I have that proof that I get money from Webtalk. So as time I get money from Webtalk in my bank account, that means it's not a scam. That means I'm not a scammer. No? Or it's not logic these things?
Actually, I don't understand people's opinion about it because, as you said, it's not a scam. Yeah, believe in it. The main problem is because people think about a stereotype.
Yeah, but YouTube also can be a scam then, no? Because there are also people are making money on YouTube. On Amazon also are a lot of people who are making money. So Amazon is a scam? YouTube is a scam? No.
Someone the other day, someone told me about Webtalk in general. Maybe it's not a scam. It's like a competition between people. What? No.
What's that? Competition between people?
Between people. Yeah. I don't know why. It's not about the competition. I don't know what happened.
Well,
it's a stereotype.